Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Ask Gemini on any Samsung phone. Now, first of all, just enable Google Gemini. To do that, just press and hold on the power button. Or if your power button is mapped to launch the power menu, you can install Google Gemini from the Play Store. Just open Play Store and in the search bar, just search Gemini. And from here, you can install Gemini on your smartphone. Now, Gemini is your AI assistant from Google, and it can do a variety of things from opening apps and to answering questions, like open calendar, like that. And also, you can ask a variety of questions like, what is the weather and time in Chicago?
In Chicago, Illinois, United States, it's 21 and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy with a high of 26 and a low of 21.
I want to learn how to play a guitar. Can you give me a 1 month course?
Learning to play the guitar in 1 month is an ambitious goal, but with consistent daily practice, you can definitely establish a strong foundation and be able to play some basic songs. It's more about building good habits and muscle memory.
And this is how you can use Ask Gemini on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.